Hey peeps, welcome. So I am headed to a place with my best friend. So let's see how's today's journey. Hey, so well, I'm all ready, all prepped up in this 40 degrees Celsius of heat and humidity. I'm all headed. So see you in some time. All right, we have a ladder. We were doing an intensive cleaning. I always seem to be forgetting to take my mask. I've kept it in my bag. Let me switch off the lights. Waiting to travel. Rivers is always so great. And Mans is giving me a call. I'm coming, dude, coming. I'm headed to the metro station, so Mans is dropping me to the metro station. It's been around 1-2 years I've not given my hair a proper haircut. Planning to do one pretty very soon in the month of August before my school reopens. Okay, see you in a while. That's a CID. CID, no? Who was that? Muka fine. What do you call it?
Parking. Rolls Royce.
It's a Rolls Royce? Where?
Rolls Royce.
Oh, cool. That's a Rolls Royce. I hope.
No, Bentley.
Oh dear, Bentley, Bentley. I'm supposed to be a zero in this. Alright, the metro station has reached and I need to wear my mask. Alright, it seems to be windy. I've reached the metro. So I haven't told you what I'm up to, but it's okay. Thank God there's nobody on the road and I can actually yell and scream loudly. Feel I'm a little crazy. I hope people don't think that I am mad. I'm scared, tell me. I get a phobic when I see the stairs. Oh, you're taking the video. Chalo, come. So we are entering into the mall. Yeah, go. Now later they'll tell me I can't take from here also. Why? poses if you don't mind. See, she thinks that I'm still taking a video. This looks good. Mama, do you think I should try this? Seriously? And then you want my hubby to kick me? That's not meant for us. It's not our life.
So this buy two means I should take the same.
Mix and match, yeah. See, I'm the unlucky one because I am highly sensitive to makeup products, so I can't even think of applying as a tester to myself. I feel so jealous. But I think I just cannot purchase anything because I have a highly sensitive skin and I don't want to have a lot of breakouts. Not sure if it is hypoallergenic or I'm feeling jealous. But they do have offers and all.
Show some volume because mine is less
Real
volume.
look more volume. It's like that.
Yes, yeah. I have to apply for you? No ways. You will learn it. Okay, Ma, what did you purchase? From which company? Which brand is that?
It's a German brand.
It's a German brand. Okay.
And then there's a lip ink.
Which? Do you know which color? Which shade is that?
This
It's a beautiful shade. Huh?
is matte ever. It's Murmuru butter.
Okay, fine. And they have an offer.
Kiss-proof.
It's kiss proof. Okay, they have an offer, right? What is that?
Buy two get one.
Buy two get one. Okay.
Okay, and I bought a beautiful mascara.
Mascara.
You can see my eyes. That's the effect you get it.
See, it's so
Yeah,
popping
it's-
and pretty.
yeah.
Okay, now let's do the payment.
Thank you.
All right.
This is what I bought.
Okay, fine. No one in the cashier, so we're planning to run away with the items. Yeah, here's your bag. I find it difficult, seriously, to hold and film the vlog. It is pretty difficult. Such a cute shopping bag. Alright, let's leave. Yes. Okay, now let's go and
Oh, ഇപ്പഴത്തെ ഇറക്കണം.
so let's go and hawk something. We are hungry. All right, let's look for the food court.
That's a cool, smart one. Lovely. Yeah.
I don't know where is the food court.
Let's check it out. It must be somewhere on the top floor.
Look up, look up.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the food court.
So I think we gotta go this way.
Let's change the direction.
So there's a way here too. You can walk through this way.
Sir?
Yeah. Got to be careful.
All right, something very urgent. Where are we headed, by the way?
I'm going for a party tonight.
Where? Oh, by the way, where was that? She's lost her brains because she's very hungry. She seems to be talking like an imbecile person.
But I'll stop here. I'm going for my private place.
All right, I'm coming to the private place. Okay, she has zeroed it on Pizza Hut.
So here's the hot food.
Find a place to sit.
Yes. Come. Let's go to that middle table here. This one. Very tasty.
It's yummy.
So hungry.
It's 5:15 and we're having a lunch. It's a brownie. Which flavor is this? Arabian?
Spicy chicken ranch.
Spicy chicken ranch. Intriguing part of a video making can always be the intro, and I find very difficult to put into words the intro. But here right now I'm in the Mall of Emirates. So here I'm Mall of Emirates with my. She will never come inside the screen. Where are you? Yes, this is inside the screen. So now we are going to spend a lot of time together in the Mall of Emirates. So stay tuned to watch my entire video.
Welcome to the Mina Bazaar.
Yes, now we've come to the Bombay of Dubai, that is the Mina Bazaar, all the way from the Mall of Emirates to have a cup of hot chai. So now we are going to look for a good cafe or a restaurant. So we'll take you there. No, we don't want anything. It's hot. Okay, so now we have come to Mumbai Masti Juice Center. I always keep forgetting the name of this place, and we have ordered 2 Matka filter coffee. We had an awesome time. Since 3 p.m. we've been roaming around the entire Mall of Emirates. Our legs are exhausted, and now as we have come to Dubai, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. And next time we have decided, we both of us, that we will look for a good Moroccan path. Now that's into me. So let's see.